business analytics is about how to apply these analytic techniques to the business operations, business data, and then try to bring in the insights, and then try to basically help the business to do better decision making. We basically monitor these different online social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and we also monitor the online communities where there's a lot of discussion forums. For example, you can do your operation management. You can look at your day-to-day operations like inventories, supply chains, data, and then try to see whether there's anything wrong with the supply chain, and then you can optimize the supply chain performance. And for the customer service area, you can obviously look into the complaints of the customers, and then try to see what the consumers are complaining about, and then try to react upon this kind of user complaints. Every industry is different. And so I think we can potentially apply this to a broad range of topics. So what we're trying to do is we try to using the thing called social media analytics. We try to mine this kind of social media chatters, and then try to see what can we using this social media chatter as a data source. Like for example, one of the things that we're working on right now is about the vehicle defect discovery. And for example, in the discussion forums, if you post a question about your vehicle problem, right? You chat about it, and then you share your experience, you share what you observe, what's the symptom, what kind of a solution do you expect, and then other users on that platform are going to jump in and then try to help you out. And then basically there's a lot of social interactions in that social media space. We can actually using the data that we produced, also including the defect information we uncovered from social media, we can potentially predict the recall right down the road, whether this components or this vehicle going to be recalled for that particular defect. So business analytics, in my mind, is different from the traditional data analytics. Okay, data analytics only is analyze the data, try to extract some of the patterns, insight you can use. But then for business analytics, you have to go beyond that. Okay, you have to understand what this pattern means to the business. Okay, what can we learn from these patterns? Can we act upon these patterns? Can we do something, to basically to solve or to improve on the existing problems?